Hey guys, it's Jack, and I'm here to teach you how to make it rain. Now, this is a very weird subject, I know, but why not, okay? I mean, cool. And so, yeah. Now, you may be like, how do you know what this is, bro? How do you know what this is? How do you know what making it rain is? Dude, just, come on, bro. It's a joke. Calm down. It's a joke. Can't take a joke, then you're, like, not cool. Hashtag 5th grade insults. Okay, so, put the camera down here. I'm recording on my computer, by the way. Okay. So, yes, I am making it rain with playing cards. I am. But, God dang it. So, yeah. Alright, let's start. So, you're gonna want to hold it in front of you, like this. Okay. Same thing with money. Now, you don't hold it tightly, but you hold it, not loose, but tight. Like you can't move it like this, but you could move it like the top. And then, so you get your hand like this, and then, I don't even know if you could freaking see that, dude. Trust me, I'm really good at making it rain with cards. Let me go back. Let me pick up all these freaking cards that I dropped. Okay guys, so that is how you make it rain with playing cards. And you basically do the same thing with money. I don't have any money on me right now. I don't want to show my money, but I mean, I'll give an example. I don't know if I even have any bills. I literally only have like $3. And also I'm listening to music. Sorry if my speech is a little messed up. I only have like $3, but I'll do it. It's just the same thing. I can't really do it though, because I only have $3, but yeah, same thing with money. yeah. And also, I'll be doing a little review of something very soon. Okay? Actually, you know what? I'll review it right after I upload this. And yeah. So, bye guys. Have a good time. Showing your friends this trick and stuff. Yeah. Bye.